Pretty than a motherfucker, hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me, is this bitch okay? You say he ain't.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. If you're new, I'm Bria. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. So today's video is actually not sponsored. I actually paid my own money for this whole video. So this hair is from Rina hair. This is actually a 22 inches ash blonde wig. I actually wanted to try something very different, and bitch, I look good, child. I actually didn't lay the wig with any glue or anything, and yeah. Let's get straight into today's video. Hey dolls, so the wig is actually from Rina hair via Aliexpress, and it's in a 22 inch 555 closure, and the wig is actually 150 density as I mentioned, and it's also in a transparent lace. One thing I could say about the hair company, like, the hair is very good, the quality, love it so much. I actually wanted to try very bold colors this year, and I was so surprised how much this hair actually blends into my skin. Another thing that I actually forgot to mention to you guys was the customs. The custom was just so much. I couldn't, like, I hated paying so much customs, because I usually pay about like 400 and something for customs, especially when it comes to hair, but paying 800 and something for customs, no, that was crazy. But overall, the quality of the hair is good, like how the wig was actually constructed. But the part that I actually hated the most was the front part of the wig. Had to fix a lot of things when it came to this wig. I actually didn't show you guys some of the parts of me actually fixing the wig, because I was just so frustrated, and I actually didn't want to ruin the video as well. But overall, I love how the wig actually looks on me, even the lace as well. So I went ahead and actually tinted the lace of my wig with my pressed powder from Makeup Revolution. And another thing that I almost forgot to mention to you guys was I actually went ahead and plucked the lace of this wig just a little bit, because I actually want to make a part 2 video for you guys, and maybe use lace glue or spray, just so I can see how the wig or the lace actually blends into my skin. And maybe a sit down video, maybe story time video, I'm not sure. But I also want to actually curl this hair and see how the curl pattern actually is on this wig, just so I can give you guys like a full review. I only wore this wig just once for this video, and I actually went ahead and cut the lace off camera, because I actually didn't want to ruin the lace of this wig. I actually didn't want to cry in front of video, just in case I actually ruined my wig. If you actually watched this video this far, please make sure you are subscribed and comment down below, and don't forget to also like this video. Just let me know what type of videos you guys want to see of me next. I promise I'll actually deliver that to you guys.
Rock with me now.
So I'm sure you guys can actually see how much I'm actually feeling myself in this video, and I actually love this hair. Like, I do not complain. I am so glad that I actually paid my own money on this hair just so I can actually make this review for you guys. I actually shot a short form content for TikTok as well, so if you guys actually want to also watch that, you guys can actually go on my TikTok, because I'm actually trying to grow my following on. So guys, I was actually trying to make a transition video for a TikTok, you guys, but I actually didn't want to leave this part just so you guys can actually see that I was actually shooting 3 videos for you guys, and you guys would actually see the BTS on my vlog that I actually do decide to actually post. You guys would actually see I actually didn't use any glue or any spray on this wig, you guys, because I actually wanted to leave this wig just like how it is for you guys. Guys, this is how the video ends, you guys. I am so in love with the hair quality of this hair, and like, I'm not mad. Overall, like, there was just minor things that I actually hated in this hair that I had to fix quickly. I managed to pluck a little bit of this hair just so the wig doesn't look boxy. I also didn't highlight the wig with any concealer or powders or anything. Did minor things in this hair, you guys. I applied your wig stick. I applied just a hair serum just so I can protect the hair from actually ironing it, which is more like a heat protector. I actually hopefully actually show you guys in the video what I actually used, but yeah, overall I actually straightened the hair. So I don't know if I actually do want to curl this hair just so I can actually show you guys in the video. So yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.